Have you ever wondered how Apple's latest AI-powered features work behind the scenes? Well, wonder no more, because today we're diving into the world of Apple Foundation models, a revolutionary technology that's transforming the way we interact with our devices. Apple Foundation models are essentially large language models trained on vast amounts of data, similar to those used in popular AI tools like Llama and BERT. But here's the twist. These models are specifically designed to work seamlessly with Apple's ecosystem, enabling features like improved Siri, enhanced Face ID, and more accurate image recognition. One of the most exciting applications of Apple Foundation models is their use in Siri. With over 1 billion active Siri users, this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices. By leveraging these models, Siri can better understand context and intent, leading to more accurate responses and a more seamless user experience. But what makes Apple Foundation